Hi, and welcome back to CRMJIO. In this video, we are going to show you how to update your terms and conditions for different documents like job sheet, invoice, payment, use device invoice, and more. It's super simple. Let's get started. First, go to the top menu and click on Settings. This will open up all your business configuration options. Inside Settings, click on Business. This is where all your core business settings are managed. Now, at the top, you will see multiple tabs. Click on Terms and Conditions. You will notice a Terms type drop down on the right side. Click on it and you will see all the available options: job sheet, sales, invoice, delivery, payment, use device invoice, and return. Simply click on whichever document type you want to update the terms and conditions for. Once you select your document type, click on the Edit button on the top right. Now go ahead and type in or update your terms and conditions as per your business requirement. Once you are done, save the changes. Now, let's verify that our changes have been applied correctly. Go ahead and open the relevant document, in this case, the invoice. And as you can see, our updated terms and conditions are now showing perfectly on the invoice. And that's how easily you can update your terms and conditions for any document type on CRMJIO. This is how simple it is to manage and change your terms and conditions anytime you want, directly from your settings in just a few clicks. You can also check out our other services and features on CRMJIO. We have a lot more amazing things to offer for your business. Thank you for watching.